A warm welcome to all of our viewers of AAMS News channel. My name is Ritu Praveen Kolte and I will be your host for today. Anuradha English Medium School brings news and views to you. The students in this video will take a lead as young reporters and journalists. Now we will move on to headlines. Assembly. The day starts with assembly. Entire school assemble together and the assembly begins with morning prayer and cultural talk include various interesting cultural programs like skit, drama and one-act play. These presentations are conducted by respective classes in the rotation from 1st to 10th. Anuradha English Medium School has been organized a cultural program on the occasion of Yoga Day. It was organized on 21st June. Now reporter Ajinkya Jailwal will tell us more about this.
Thank you, Ritu. Respected Chaudhary ma'am and Mansuta ma'am were the guests. Honorable Nanne ma'am was the president of the program. They showed various types of exercises of the yoga and guided the students that the purpose of the yoga is to build strength, awareness and harmony in both mind and body. It relieves stress, anxiety and depression. Students also gain fitness and realize the importance of health. This is Ajinkya Jailwal, cameraman Aditya Magade, back to the studio.
Ashadi Ekadashi. Ashadi Ekadashi has been celebrated in the school campus with great zeal and enthusiasm. Let's know more information about the program from our reporter Gauri Talekar.
Thank you, Ritu. Ekadashi, also known as Ashadi Ekadashi, is an important Hindu festival celebrated with great enthusiasm in India. It holds historical, religious and cultural significance for devotees. Here, all you need to know about this auspicious festival. Program was held at school campus. Number of toddlers took part in it. Honorable Bhartitai Bondre was the chief guest of the program and Principal Mrs. Jayanandi ma'am gave an introductory speech. She said it is our collective responsibility to preserve our rich culture and tradition. Different cultural activities were held at school. 10th class students had participated in the debate competition and for class 9th essay competition. Greeting making competition was organized for class 6 to 8 and primary kids were participated in the Palki Sola. This is Gauri Talekar with cameraman Umang Lage, back to the studio.
Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is big festival of India. AAMS celebrated Krishna Janmashtami this year with great joy, devotion and zeal. Let's know more information about the program from our reporter Aditya Khedekar.
Thank you, Ritu. On the occasion of Krishna Janmashtami, AEMS performed a grand show of solo dance for primary and secondary section. Many students had participated in the dance competition. Honorable President of School Committee Advocate Trushaltai Bondre was the chief guest of the program and enjoyed the function. She inspired students to show their potential. She also congratulated the winners and felicitated them with the prizes. This is Aditya Khedekar with the cameraman Abhay Patel, back to the studio.
Navratri Utsav celebrated this year with great joy, devotion and zeal. Let's know more information about the program from our reporter Aisha Sheikh.
Thank you, Ritu. Students should aware about our traditional festival. They should come to know about it so that Durgotsav was celebrated in AEMS campus. It was differently celebrated in our school. Every day, teacher gave information about 9 planets to the student in the assembly. End of the day, the quiz competition was conducted on the 9 planets. Dandiya, Garba and solo dances were the attraction to the program on 21st October. The principal Balu sir was the president of the program and he expressed his views on the festival. This is Aisha Sheikh with the camera person Ganesh Pandey, back to the studio.
Sports Meet. After a long time, motivated event Sport Week was held at school. This week was celebrated with great energy and lots of joy. Now reporter Arya Tati will tell us more about this.
Thank you, Ritu. Sport Meet started on 21st to 25th November. Honorable Jitendra Bondre sir was chief guest of the program. He inaugurated the Sports Week. He also put his opinion about sport. He told that sport is good for your physical and mental health. It also helps to develop leadership skill and equip them with the ability to set goals and build character. Participating in sport can lead to a higher self-esteem and better social interaction. It also helps students have a positive outlook on life. Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, volleyball, cricket, running, shot put, tug of war, chess, high jump, long jump, and disc throw games were played by students. It was inter-house competition. All students gave their best and tried to win. The Aryabhatta House became champion of the year 2023. This is Arya Thate with cameraman Samarth Deshmukh back to the studio.
Prize distribution ceremony at AEMS. End of sports meet prize distribution ceremony was held at AEMS. Now reporter Arisha Jabin will tell us more about this.
Thank you, Ritu. School Committee President Honorable Rushalitai Bonre and Advisor Sujata Ma'am were present at the moment. They honored all the participants with medals and certificates. President Rushalitai appreciated all the winners. Advisor Sujata Ma'am congratulated everyone and blessed them. This is Arisha Jabin with camera person Amit Parihar back to the studio.
Festivals, Diwali and Rakhi. AEMS always take initiative in arranging different cultural programs every year. This year, pre-Diwali celebration and Rakhi celebration was celebrated. Now Siddhi Rajput will tell us more about this.
Thank you, Ritu. Anuradha English Medium School celebrated pre-Diwali activities and different competition in the campus. First, class students took part in Rakhi making competition. They make beautiful Rakhis using raw material. They have great ideas and skill to prepare their Rakhi. It has been seen through their creation. This is Siddhi Rajput with the camera person Viraj Raut back to the studio.
Annual gathering. This is the big function of Anuradha English Medium School. There were dance, drama, mahim, skit and singing also. Now reporter Sachi Chopra will tell us more about this.
Thank you, Ritu. Anuradha English Medium School hosted its annual gathering Anuswar on December 23, 2023 at the school premises in Chikri Taluka. The event was inaugurated by the chief guest, President of PRMSS Institute and former MLA, Mr. Rahul Bhau Pondre. The annual report was presented by the principal of Anuradha English Medium School, Mr. Balu Sir. Following this, the chairman of the event, Mr. Rahul Bhau Pondre and Mrs. Rushalitai Pondre provided insightful guidance to the students, reflecting on their achievements in the past academic year. The Academic Excellence Awards were given to the achievers by the student. The theme of the cultural program, based on the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, was designed by the advisor of the school, Mrs. Sujata Kuli ma'am. Under her guidance, all the performances of students from the pre-primary, primary and secondary sections were appreciable. The concluding act featured the entire student body and teaching staff coming together to sing the anthem Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, symbolizing unity and harmony. This is Sachi Chopra with the cameraman Ronak Kothalkar back to the studio.
Thank you and stay with AEMS News channel for new things and news of our school. I am Ritu Praveen Kolte with cameraman Chetan Kharade.